When you first open up Unity, it can be a bit daunting. You've got all these random windows scattered everywhere and it's not really clear what everything does. Your editor might look a bit different to mine. That's because Unity is just a whole bunch of these movable tabs that you can drag and drop and scale however you want. Let's start with the project tab. This is going to be where every Unity object starts its life. I'm going to drop in this picture of Old Man Robert just to show you can do this with literally anything, and now this random picture is ready to use in your game. And how do you do that? Well, if you move an object from the project tab to the hierarchy tab, which just keeps track of all the objects in your game, it will create a copy of it in your actual game world. This tab on the left here is the scene tab, and it's where you'll do most of the moving around of objects in your game. It's probably where you'll spend the most time, whereas this tab on the right is the game tab, and it's basically just what the player will see while playing your game. The last important tab you need to know about is the inspector tab, which is where you can make changes to objects that already exist in your game world. For example, I can edit the transform here to make him a wide man, or I can go into the sprite renderer and make him red and flip around. If you ever accidentally remove one of these editing tabs, you can easily get it back by just heading to window up the top left here, and then over general is all the important ones we just talked about. Great, just one final thing, if you ever want to run the simulation of your game, just make sure this drop down above the game says play maximized, and then click the play button up the top here.
Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.